How to make video on Rednote. Let's get started. Launch your Rednote app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find a fin option. Click on this plus option given at the bottom middle. Now you're able to select the video from the gallery, or also you can shoot it. If you wanna select the video from the gallery, set it to album and select the video. Or else you can click on the option of camera. Once your camera opens up, set it to video and shoot the video. Also, you are able to choose the effects. Scrolling to the right, you're gonna find different effects. Just use any of it. You can select filter and beauty as well. Once you do that, you can shoot by clicking on this option. Once you are done with the video, click on the option done. Now from here as well, you can edit it, add effect, text, sticker, trim, then click on next. Now you can give a title, add description, select cover, likewise customize these and then click on post. So this is how you can easily make video on Rednote and post it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.